Welcome to this tutorial on Knative Serving and Scale-to-Zero applications. Knative Serving is a powerful platform that brings serverless capabilities to Kubernetes, enabling your applications to automatically scale based on demand, including scaling down to zero when not in use. Throughout this tutorial, we'll explore how Knative Serving works, its core components, and how you can leverage it to build efficient, cost-effective serverless applications on Kubernetes. Knative Serving is a Kubernetes-based platform designed for deploying and managing serverless workloads. It provides automatic scaling capabilities, meaning your applications can scale up when traffic increases and scale down when traffic decreases. Beyond scaling, Knative Serving offers revision management, which allows you to maintain different versions of your application, and sophisticated traffic routing capabilities that let you control how requests are distributed across these versions. All of this runs on top of your existing Kubernetes infrastructure. Knative Serving is built around four core components that work together seamlessly. First, the service component manages your application's complete lifecycle and routing. Second, the route component maps incoming traffic to different revisions of your application. Third, the configuration component defines the desired state of your application, separating your code from its configuration settings. Finally, the revision component represents immutable snapshots of your code and configuration for each modification you make. Together, these components provide a robust framework for serverless application deployment. Scale-to-zero is one of the most powerful features of Knative Serving. When your application isn't receiving any traffic, Knative automatically scales it down to 0 pods, meaning no resources are consumed at all. This is different from traditional deployments where at least one pod is always running, consuming resources even when idle. The key benefit here is cost optimization. You only pay for actual usage. During idle periods, when your application has no incoming requests, it costs you nothing. This makes Knative Serving particularly attractive for applications with intermittent or unpredictable traffic patterns. Let's understand how the auto-scaling mechanism works in Knative Serving. Step 1. The Knative Pod Autoscaler, or KPA, continuously monitors incoming requests and pod metrics to understand the current load. Step 2. Based on concurrency targets or request rate thresholds, it scales pods up to handle increased traffic. Step 3. After an idle period with no incoming requests, the autoscaler scales your application down to 0 pods, freeing up all resources. Step 4. When the first request arrives after scaling to 0, this triggers what's called a cold start. The activator component queues these incoming requests while new pods are being created and initialized to handle the traffic. Creating a Knative service is straightforward. Here's a basic YAML definition. You start with the API version serving .native.dev/v1 and the kind is service. In the metadata section, you specify the name of your service. In this example, it's hello-app. The spec section contains a template, and within that template spec, you define the containers. Here we specify the container image location, in this case, gcr.io/native-samples/hello. This minimal configuration is enough to deploy a fully functional serverless application with automatic scaling capabilities. You can fine-tune the auto-scaling behavior of your Knative service through annotations. In the template metadata annotations section, you can configure several parameters. The autoscaling.native.dev/target annotation sets the concurrency target, here set to 100 concurrent requests per pod. The min-scale annotation defines the minimum number of pods, set to 0 to enable scale-to-zero. The max-scale annotation sets the maximum number of pods, here limited to 10 to control costs and resource usage. Finally, the window annotation defines the time period for auto-scaling decisions, set to 60 seconds in this example. These settings give you precise control over how your application scales. One of the advanced features of Knative Serving is traffic splitting, which allows you to route traffic across multiple revisions of your application. This is extremely useful for blue-green deployments or canary releases. In the traffic section of your configuration, you can specify multiple revisions and assign a percentage of traffic to each. For example, you might send 80% of traffic to your stable revision, hello-v1, while routing 20% to your new revision, hello-v2. This allows you to test new versions with real production traffic before fully committing to the update. If issues arise, you can quickly adjust the percentages or roll back entirely. Let's explore the key features that make Knative Serving powerful. First, request-based scaling means your application scales based on concurrent requests or requests per second metrics, ensuring optimal resource allocation. Second, cold start optimization is handled by the activator component, which queues requests during pod startup to prevent request loss. Third, revision management provides automatic versioning of your application with built-in rollback capabilities, making deployments safer and more manageable. Fourth, built-in networking means Knative automatically handles domain name system configuration, transport layer security certificates, and load balancing, so you don't need to configure these separately. Knative Serving excels in several use cases. First, webhooks and event processing applications that receive intermittent traffic benefit greatly from automatic scaling that matches demand. Second, batch jobs and scheduled tasks that run periodically can scale to 0 between runs, consuming no resources when idle. Third, development and testing environments can dramatically reduce costs since they're typically not in use outside business hours. Finally, Microservices APIs can scale individual services independently based on their specific demand patterns, optimizing resource usage across your entire application architecture. These use cases demonstrate how Knative Serving brings true serverless efficiency to Kubernetes workloads.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.